I'm Fuji here, and today we're going to do a house tour.
Starting off at the front door, we've got a nice sliding door. This area isn't air conditioned, and it's generally a place for you to take your shoes off. Now just over here, we have the bathroom. The light switch is outside of the bathroom. We got the bidet, we got the butt warmer. We have it all except for size, because I can barely fit in here. But on top of the toilet is a place where you can wash your hands and dry them. Then just around the corner, we have another sliding door that leads into the common area. So there's the front door, here's the common area. It has the stairwell to get upstairs just over here. And the light switch. And the stairs are steep as all hell, so try not to kill yourself on here. Then over here we just have our drying rack. And this is where I put my luggage. And closet with the cleaning supplies inside of it. Then, if we keep going further into the house, we have like the TV room / living room area. So we've got an L-shaped couch, a like 25-inch television, an air conditioner, thank God, and then a giant table. This couch is completely uncomfortable, but whatever. It's what we got. My ass hurts sitting on it. And yeah, so this is the whole area here. Oh, we have a fake plant too. What's up? But bless this air conditioner. Then over here we have the kitchen. So when you first enter the kitchen, we have the bathroom to the right with sliding door. Let me just hit the light switch on here. We have a shower and a bath and a drain, so that way you can just shower right in here. You don't need a shower curtain. Aside from that, we have the kitchen with a stove, a couple pots, pans, knives, etc. And just to the left here, across from the bathroom, is our fridge, microwave, toaster oven. This is like your get ready in the morning area. And towels, God bless them. A nice mirror. Oh, and a laundry machine. Then, going upstairs, we have the sliding door that leads to, just hit the lights here, bedroom number 1. So this is Akuma's bedroom. It's 3 beds combined, also air conditioned. Sorry, my camera's janky. Each bed frame has a plug to charge your phone or whatever. And then, yeah, this little thing to block out the light. Then, after another sliding door, we have bedroom number 2. Fire extinguisher, couple closets. They're not creepy at all. They're a little creepy, not gonna lie. And then a window that leads outside. So yeah, that's our little house tour here. Thank God for this air conditioner though, oh my God. So if you can believe it, that's our house tour. It's really nice and comfortable on the inside. Anyway, I'm your host, I'm Fuji, and I'll catch you on the next video. See you next week. Bye.
Hey,
subscribe.
hey, you know, subscribe.
Please.